Be an explorer. What can we accomplish? What's our vision for a sustainable future? As dreams get bolder, new technologies make them possible. There's no single path toward a greener future. Just our limitless imagination, and we should use it to create a better future. So let's move forward. Raise a new sail to make the switch. Electrification, digitalization, and AI enable clean energy. This is where innovation begins. For true zero-emission shipping, the power of electricity is essential. Comprehensive fleet management and electrification make zero-emission shipping possible. Future-proof sources of energy can help take the maritime industry ahead. Data collection and monitoring bridge land and sea. People forming teams with AI innovate new solutions. Ships that can navigate efficiently toward a greener future. We can make the seas blue again. It is possible. Unknown possibilities are ahead, and curiosity has no limits. Green shipping is on the horizon, and our products enable it. Let's make the switch to zero emissions together. Be an explorer. BEMAC.